Hey, what's up guys, this is Miraie. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna play Resident Evil 4. This video is brought to you by me. I just want to say Happy New Year and have a nice day. So I recently got my GMK Oni desk mat. Looks so beautiful. Just want to show you guys that, and let's get into the video. This keyboard is TGRJ. I built it using top mount. Now, what is a top mount? There are a lot of mounting styles in different kinds of keyboard. For example, tray mount, which looks something like this. You secure the PCB to the bottom housing by using a screw-in pin. And then there's a top mount, which secure the plate to the top housing. Then of course you got the bottom mount, you got the sandwich mount, you got the integrated plate, you got the 1 HP comeback. Gasket mount. In today's video, we're gonna take a comparison between top mount and gasket mount. The gasket mount uses gasket material between the plate and keyboard housing on both top and bottom side, which gives the board a slightly more cushioned feel. I'm by no means a professional keyboard reviewer, keyboard engineer, keyboard designer, or magician. I'm just a weeb. I like anime. With that in mind, I'm gonna do a sound test for top mount and gasket mount. And then I'm gonna try to play also with it and see how it goes. So first of all, we need to take the keyboard out. Ta-da! Okay, so this is top mount, basically the PCB, and it's attached to the top housing. So again, you gotta repeat the process for the top housing. Alright, this is the top case. A keyboard without PCB or anything looks something like this. This is the keyboard case. So you got the PCB, and the plate I'm using is a carbon fiber plate, which I don't know if you guys can see it. So what I'm gonna do right now is to put this rubber in between the plate and PCB, which looks something like this. There we go. Now that it is gasket mount, we gotta put this thing back. And I'm very excited, I'm not gonna lie, because this is my first time trying it out. Alright, it sounds something like this, and then we'll compare it and see if there's any difference. If I have to say if there's any difference, it would be the space bar for some reason. I feel like the space bar doesn't feel the same. Also test, now I'm currently using a mouse to play this, and I am a tablet player, so it's my aim is probably going to be clown, but let's see, you know. And why is this so soft? Wait, what? Okay. What the heck? Oh shit! I'm just gonna leave the rubber in the keyboard and try to use it for a few days. Hope you guys enjoy. If you do, make sure to drop a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh my god, I actually did it!